Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Alec Benjamin here, collab here with Khalid. Great ways to go, that's the title of the song. We're gonna use a capo on fourth to handle this one in the best way. And we're gonna go over the chords first. We're gonna look at the melody later and also the strumming. So first the chords, so we have the basics. We're gonna go with E minor first. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, next chord is A7. So that is open A, second D, open G, second B, and open E. We have two more bar chords left there. The first one is the F sharp minor. You play a bar over all strings on the second fret, and then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. You're gonna keep that bar on the same second fret there for the next chord, the B minor. This time you don't have to bar the last E string there. You could if you want, but the last 5 strings below there are the important ones. So bar the 5 strings down there on the second fret, and then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. And there you have the chords and the chord progression for this song, and it goes in the same way. So it will be E minor, A7, F sharp, and B minor. So we're gonna look at the melody, and it's very prominent at about 1 minute and 30 seconds into the song. So you understand what I mean with the melody. It's there in the background as well, pretty sure of that, but yeah, it really develops, or yeah, is dominant there in 1.5 minutes in. So we're gonna start with E minor. You're gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna play open E string, second D, open G, open B, and a clap. Okay, so clap, or if you want to mute it, it's fine as well, because it's not that prominent clap. It is sometimes in some songs, but for this one it's more a muting slash clap, so like this. Okay, then you have like a rolling fashion there. You're gonna roll the strings for second D, open G, and third B. That's how I do it. You could also pick, if you're not that picky about how everything sounds, you could just pick them simultaneously like this, but I like to have this rolling effect. All right, or if you can make a downstroke. Right, it's up to you, but that is still the E minor. So, and then you shift to A7. So you already have that second fret D string there from the E minor. The A7 is just to move the third fret B string to the second fret B string. All right, so you have the chord already there pretty much. And here you're gonna use the same rolling effects. And you now roll open A, second D, open G, and second B. So far we learned. And then you have the F sharp minor part. So that is second fret E string, fourth D, second G, and second B, and a clap. And then finally we have the B minor, and that is second fret B string, sorry, A string, fourth D, fourth G, and third B, and a clap. And that's the full melody, the end of it. So slowly it goes like this. Tempo. All right, so that's that. And now over to strumming, and it's very easy. You're gonna continue pretty much in the same way, but now with downs and ups. So E minor, The first one, the first part will be down, down, up, and mute or clap. It's up to you, but it's down, down, up, and then like this. Down, down, up, mute. And then you're gonna do just one down, but now you add the third fret B string as you had in the melody. Okay? And then you go to the A7 and one down on that as well. And then you go to F sharp and play down, down, up, and clap in the same way as E minor. And then you do the same for B minor, down, down, up, clap. And that's it. So the strumming goes slowly like this. And in tempo. That's that, guys. Alec Benjamin and Khalid's Ways to Go. You have also here different ways to go melody strumming. Good luck with this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.